If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select all to see regular updates.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting question. So this is mostly related to joins and we have two tables called students and enrollments, and students table contains three columns: student ID, school and class. So this is the student ID. One student ID can attend only one school and can have only can be only in one class. So these are the school name and class. And also enrollments means it contains columns student ID and subject. So each student what all subjects he has enrolled. So student ID 1 has enrolled maths and physics. Okay, so these are the two tables. So now what we want the output is we want to return all the uh, schools or all the classes, or I mean all the classes where there are more than two students who have enrolled in both maths and physics. Okay, so hope you all understood the question. So if you see here, 10A class 10A, student ID is 1. Student ID 1 has maths and physics. And again, student ID 2 has maths and physics. So 10A has two students who have enrolled in both maths and physics. So 10A should be written in the output. And similarly, if any other section, if any other class, school class is there where it is returning more than two students having maths and physics, it should be written. Okay, so now let's see how to achieve this. So first, uh, basic thing we you need to understand is how to apply joins here. Select from students. So whenever you want to combine two tables, you need to write a SQL query in this way. First, write the from condition from students s. Okay, so which kind of join you want to apply? Inner join, enrollments, enrollments e1 on s dot student id is equal to e1 dot student ID. So first what I'll do, I will filter out all the subject. Here subjects, there are multiple subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, chemistry also there. But we are interested only in maths and physics, right? So first, let's take only maths and physics data. So in this join, let's see. First filter out maths data. So select e1 dot subject is equal to maths. Okay. Now if you write the select, if you write the star here, let's see what all values are getting written here. So all these values are returning. So this returns all the students who have enrolled maths subject, right? And now again we want both maths and physics, right? So again I'll just do one more join. Instead of E1 I'll write E2, and E2 dot student ID, E2 dot subject is physics. So what will happen now? With this one you got maths, and now you are joining again on the enrollments, and you're getting students who are enrolled in physics. So but since you have done the join on both maths and physics, so it will return the rows where student has enrolled both maths and physics. So if you see here, both maths and physics are there. So in the first join, when you are applying, when you're writing the first join, here only you're returning math subject. So but if you are joining the both, it is returning only students which are having both maths and physics. Okay, so the question is you need to return classes where there are more than two students enrolled in maths and physics. So first, what we to get that, what we have to do, we have to write this: select class, comma, count of 1, or count of distinct student ID. So you need not write distinct student ID because student ID will be unique here. So you need not write the distinct student ID, just you can write count of 1. Okay, count of 1 as CNT. Okay, and we need to do the group by class. So class is from which table? Students. So students, so here let's apply the alias s dot class. Okay, having count of 1 greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so now if we write this, we are getting class 10A is having three uh, three students which have enrolled in both maths and physics. So now instead of school, if you want, instead of class, if you want to see the school, what we'll have to do instead of class, we'll see the school. So if you see the school, we'll get these two schools. They are having two students each. So now let's see, let's remove this and let's see if you want to see the school at the data at school level. Say here what all schools are having written are having more than two students or more than or equal to two students enrolled in maths and physics, right? So Greenfield High is having two students and Blue River School is having two students. So Blue River School and Greenfield High should return. So for that, now what I'll do, I'll write school, comma, count of 1 as CNT. Here, group by school having count of 1 greater than 1. So if you run this, this is what we are getting. So hope you all understood the question and also the solution. If you like my videos, please click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button so that I'll get more reach for these videos and it will help me. Thank you. Have a nice day.